Hello, my name is Amy. And together, we are going to simplify complex information through a variety of media. At Karmic Business Solutions, we are inspired by the power of comprehension. Our purpose is to be a creative source in a world that is diverse and original to each person. Welcome to our workplace safety training. Today's training is about hand tools. And the purpose of this training is to ensure that all hand tools are safe for use. Who is responsible for ensuring that all hand tools are safe for use? Departmental managers are responsible for ensuring that all requirements are complied with. Supervisors are responsible for the provision of resources, supervision, and reporting of compliance and non-compliance. Lastly, the person using the tool is responsible for using the tool safely, maintenance, and inspection. Let's go through the procedure together. Make sure personal tools, and tools drawn from stores, as well as toolboxes, are in safe and clean condition. Trolleys and wheelbarrows must be in good working condition. But how do we monitor this? We will get to the solution after the procedure. Guards must be fitted where necessary. What are guards? Guards are protective devices that keep workers from the point of operation, in running nip points, rotating parts, and flying chips and sparks. All files and similar tools must be fitted with handles. Hammers must be regularly ground down to prevent mushroom heads from forming. But remember that only trained persons should be allowed to do this. Rather report maintenance requirements to your supervisor. Keep toolboxes neat with everything in its place. Inspect tools visually before use, and on record monthly. Make sure that there are racks for brooms and mops for when these are not in use. Adhere to the 5S methodology. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This is the last section before we move on to how we can monitor this process. Report maintenance requirements and incidents to your supervisor, and do not use the tool until it is safe to do so. Lastly, keep hard copies of inspection records for 2 years. And the inspection records we are referring to is exactly how we monitor the whole process. So let's move on to the last element of the training, the inspection. Let's talk about what the inspection entails, and how the document could look like. You can download your free template of our form from our website in our blog section. You are welcome to use this format, and change it according to your needs. The first column heading is for items inspected. Each row in this column can reference the item checked. For example, hammer, drill, grinder. The next 12 columns are named January to December, for the monthly inspections. The last column have the legend, and notes. From the legend, you will find the relevant deviation, if there are any, and then write the associated number in the correct month column and item row. For example, if the hammer's handle is broken, you will write number 2 next to the item for the correct month of the inspection. If the item is safe for use, you simply write OK. It is important to take the defective tool out of service, label it, and take it to your supervisor. When you are done checking all your tools, you should put the date of the inspection in the month column right at the bottom, and your initials. Your supervisor should then complete their spot checks. And there you have it. Your inspection is up to date, and you are compliant. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed our video, and that you understand this topic a bit better. Please like our videos, and press the subscribe button in order to be notified when we publish new content absolutely free. If you want us to simplify a topic of your choice next, please leave a comment below. Visit our website for more details on our services.